subject. Let's start. You know, there are two types of the movements of the earth: rotation and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the earth its own axis. It makes day and night. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. It makes seasons. Very important question is, why seasons change? The earth's revolution and tilt of the earth's axis are the important reasons for the variation of the seasons. Tilt of the axis of the earth 66 degree from orbital plane and 23.5 degree from vertical plane. This tilt of the earth maintained throughout the revolution. This is known as parallelism of earth's axis. This tilt maintained throughout the revolution. This is known as parallelism of earth's axis. Other important idea of this chapter: the position of the sun in relation to the earth varies apparently between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This is known as apparent movement of the sun. In other words, apparent movement of the sun. The sun shifts apparently between Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree south. It is due to the inclination of axis, apparent movement of the sun. What are the reasons for the season change? Earth's revolution, tilt of the axis, parallelism of the earth's axis. Okay. There is variation in the sunlight that falls on the earth due to the apparent movement of the sun. Sunrise falls vertically over one hemisphere during one half of the year, or other hemisphere during other half. It is very important point. As a result of the apparent movement of the sun between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, the different seasons, spring, summer, autumn and winter, get repeated in cyclic manner. Understand? As a result, apparent movement of the sun between Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, of different seasons, spring, summer, autumn and winter, get repeated in cyclic manner. Do you remember we have discussed equinoxes, summer solstice, winter solstice? Do you remember? Equinoxes on March 21 and September 23, the apparent position of the sun will be over the equator. This is equator. 21st March and September 23, apparent position of the sun will be over the equator. These days are called equinox. This is called equinox. The length of the day and night will be equal during these days on both the hemispheres. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, equinox time will be equal length and night. Next, summer solstice.